In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Metro Bank credit card. This is a step-by-step guide, so please follow along to get a better understanding. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged in, head to the home screen of the app. Your new credit card should already be listed under your accounts. If the card hasn't appeared yet, give it some time. It may take up to 24 hours from the moment you receive it for the system to register it. Once your card shows up, tap on it. You'll see an option that says Activate your card. Tap on that, and you'll be taken to the activation screen. The app will prompt you to enter a few details, typically the last 4 digits of your credit card, and sometimes your card's expiry date. After submitting the required information, tap on the Activate option to complete its activation process. Well, that's how you activate your Metro Bank credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.